Okay, man, we here. We here. They got a Ferrari here, and we at Midnight Protective Films, man. Let's go ahead and get some work done.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the channel. And today is the day that I'm going to get my new mods put on the car now. So I won't technically call it mods, but the things I need to get done based on how hard I'm gonna be driving the car this year. So today I'm going out to Midnight Tint and Vinyl, and I am going to get some PPF installed, and I'm going to get some window tint installed. So another thing is that I'm going to bring y'all along with me for the ride. I'm gonna give y'all some interior shots, video while I'm inside driving this manual, so you guys can see how I'm driving for my first time. You guys have the opportunity to comment on things like what I need to work on. Am I doing too much? Am I applying too much gas, not enough gas, and things of that nature. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and come on with me. We back on my second drive with this Camaro 1LE, man. Like, it's phenomenal. So I started this video because I want you guys to experience with me, with a first-time manual owner, how I'm driving this car, you know, like how I'm shifting and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm cheating right now because I have the active rev match on, but hey, I feel like if it's there, I'm gonna use it. It's gonna make me a better driver. Right now I'm heading to my favorite shop, Midnight Tint and Vinyl. He always do a good job on tinted windows, wraps, PPFs, and all that good stuff. So I'm heading over there. I guess that was too much gas. I'm not liking how I'm damaging my paint, hearing all these rocks. Oh. Oh, I'm feeling so bad for the car. Yeah, but like I was saying though, like so far, I have it in sport mode, and the car feels good. I gotta get used to, I gotta start driving this car more anyway, so I'm glad I'm out since it's 50 degrees, what is it, 45 degrees, 50 degrees, because that way I can, you know, start racking up the miles. I'm not gonna rack up 2 miles because like this place is like seven miles away from me, so it's not like I'm putting that much on there. But when I get it back, the weather should be right, and I should be able to get back in motion. Oh, I'm not liking how I'm damaging my paint, hearing all these rocks. Oh, I'm feeling so bad for the car. Gotta get used to, I gotta start driving this car more anyway, so I'm glad I'm out since it's 50 degrees, what is it, 45 degrees, 50 degrees, because that way I can, you know, start racking up the miles. Places like seven miles away from me, so it's not like I'm putting that much on there. But when I get it back, the weather should be right, and I should be able to get back in motion. Okay, so major shout out to the people telling me like wait till I get to 3,000 RPMs and then shift, so I can skip that first to fourth. So that's nice to know. That makes it a lot easier, because I feel like I'm babying the clutch, which is good, but I feel like I hate going first or fourth all the time, you know. But I guess that makes sense. It's just better to rev it out and then go. So that's and y'all see, that's how I'm driving now. That's how pretty much it's gonna be every time for like the first couple months. So drop a comment below, let me know what you think, and we about to head off to Midnight Tint and Vinyl right now. Okay, man, we here. They got a Ferrari here, and we at Midnight Protective Films, man. Let's go ahead and get some work done. Okay, guys, so this is the next day of me picking up the car. It was dark when I got it last night. It was like 7 o'clock or so. So now this is the finishing results here, man. Now this is how the Camaro should look from factory, man. So what I got done on this car, which I haven't been dropping content for you guys for a week and a half, is I got the front tint done. The tint done in 55% ceramic tint. And then the side windows are done in 20% ceramic tint. So the sun is facing the car right now, and you can still kind of see in there a little bit when you're up on it. And the front you kind of see, but from the far back at night you really can't see into the car. But I feel like that's perfect because I have PDR and I don't want to block that camera. The next thing I had done on here is I didn't tint the markers. Actually, I did these last night when I was bored. So these have white LEDs. I'll start the car up so you guys can see that, but at night it looks phenomenal. And it's matching where I want to do with this car. But the thing I did take the longest was the PPF. So what I got done for this particular vehicle, I call it like the track pack. I got the front part done in PPF here. I got the full fenders done in PPF. I got the full rocker panel all the way down here and up here to the door a little bit in PPF, which leads all the way to up here, and then I got the rear done. So this little bit here, which will protect the back when the rocks flare up. So that's pretty much it I have done, which took a minute, and I'm still trying to figure out if I did the hood. I believe I did the hood because when I wash the car, it don't get fingerprints, which is nice, man. Because y'all know if y'all get the matte wrap on this car, it gets fingerprints and it's very hard to clean sometimes. So that's that. I didn't get the splitter because I'm gonna change that eventually, so that can be carbon fiber and my diffuser be carbon fiber. I don't think I'll do side skirts on this car because the more I look at it, I actually like the way it looks. Y'all drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think. And let me know what y'all think about the finishing results, because this is it right here far as like the cosmetics and the mobs I got going on for this car. So now I was trying to actually learn and test drive it. Today it's 45 degrees, 50 degrees, so I figured it's the perfect time for me to go out and get it done. And also, I guess there's one more thing I need to do, but while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to stop by O'Reilly's, man, because I'm tired of this like yellow plate light bulb. Y'all already know about that. That makes it look ugly, because I know I took pictures and it didn't look right, so I'm gonna get LEDs for that. And your boy finally got that license plate to match the whole car, man. So this is it, man. So if y'all like this video, we back to making content. This is the main reason why I couldn't make the content for a week and a half, because the car was getting PP'd, man. So if y'all like this video, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.